Is your Antares audio apps broken by the Harmony-Engine module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. To start the walkthrough for Harmony-Engine module, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the Harmony-Engine module, the core execution library for the Antares Harmony Engine vocal modeling plugin. It manages real-time pitch detection and localized harmony generation for vocal tracks. If missing, vocal processing projects in DAWs will sound dry, and the software will report plugin could not be loaded. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. WABIMP is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the sfc/scan, now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Harmony Engine module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing WABIMP library DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. To reduce system-level conflicts, the maintenance utility below provides general guidance on managing Harmony Engine module. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Harmony Engine module today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support